Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the camera is not working on your MacBook, then keep watching this video because in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your MacBook's camera step by step. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. 1. Click on Launchpad in the dock, then find and open the photo booth. 2. As soon as photo booth opens, your camera should automatically turn on. 3. You'll see a green light next to the camera and your face on screen. If it works, that means your camera is working fine on the system level. If it doesn't work, you might see a black screen or an error like no camera connected. This means there's either a hardware issue, a software block, or the camera is being used by another app. Method 2. Check app permissions for camera on MacBook. 1. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and choose System Settings. 2. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. 3. Under the Privacy section, find and click Camera. 4. You will see a list of apps that have requested camera access. 5. Find the app you're trying to use, for example Zoom, FaceTime. 6. Make sure the toggle switch next to the app is turned on. If it's off, click to turn it on. 7. After enabling the permission, close the app completely and reopen it to make the camera work. Method 3. Use terminal to restart camera service. 1. Click on Spotlight search icon at the top right. 2. In the search bar, search for terminal and open it as soon as it appears. 3. Now, enter this command, sudo kill assistant, sudo kill applicamera assist. 4. Press enter and enter your password if prompted. Method 4. Make sure no other app is using the camera. Close all apps that might be using the camera: Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, etc. To check this, 1. Click on Apple menu and choose Force Quit. 2. The Force Quit Applications window will appear. 3. Select each app one by one and click Force Quit. 4. Repeat this until all unwanted apps are closed. 5. After closing all the apps, go back to the Apple menu and restart your Mac. Method 5. Reset NVRAM. 1. First shut down your Mac. 2. Then, turn it on and immediately press and hold Option plus Command plus P plus R for 20 seconds. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.